Wow, this weather's great. Can't wait to go snowboarding again.
Attention all, an avalanche is coming. Welcome to virtual survival training.
Whoa, looks like snowboarding's gonna have to wait.
Snowslides are not so rare. About 7% of all land on Earth is an avalanche zone.
Hopefully I'll manage to break through.
If you don't have time to evacuate from a dangerous area, find shelter. Avalanches are very unpredictable. Sun rays and temperature fluctuations can make the snow change its mood within an hour, and it will go down, sweeping away everything in its path.
Wow, we should go help others.
No, don't. It can still be dangerous outside, and it's safer to stay inside your vehicle. Keep in mind, this is just a simulation, so no one will really get hurt. After the avalanche, wet snow freezes. It can feel as hard as concrete. Therefore, rescue operations require special equipment. So the best thing you can do is to call emergency services and give them your exact geolocation. Stay in the shelter until the rescue team decides there's no more threat.
Speaking of the threat, thank goodness I stayed in the car. Oh, the rescue workers are here. I must have dozed off.
Congratulations, the lesson is over.
Welcome to the virtual reality survival class. Today our task is to get out of a burning car. Diesel cars don't explode, but they tend to burn more slowly. That's why it's difficult to put out a fire. First off, check the engine. If it's still running, shut it down immediately. And now check the doors. Perhaps one of them isn't blocked. If the fire is already inside the car, it's very dangerous. Acrid smoke in a closed space will kill you in a few minutes. Time to get out. If all doors won't open, check the windows. If any of them is broken, remove the remaining glass and get out this way. Whoops, that won't work. Try to find a fire extinguisher. According to the rules, it must be under the driver's seat to be handy in case of danger. If you have no tools to break the window with, use your legs. Excellent! Now get out as soon as possible. After you've successfully got out of the vehicle, you have two options. Either try to save the car by using the fire extinguisher, or run to a safe distance and call firefighters. The safe distance starts from around 300 feet. Here they are, just in time. Congratulations! Mission accomplished. Whoa, look at that view. It's a pity about the traffic. Yeah, we'll get a great view from inside the tunnel. What's going on? It's just a traffic jam. I don't know, but it doesn't sound good. Is that water? Yeah, it's probably rainwater. Although it is flowing pretty fast. There's water inside the car! I can't open mine. The water is too strong! Look, do you see that? The end of the tunnel. We're almost out. The current will carry us out. We're gonna hit in! I'm trying! Help! What happened? Is that our car? That was too close.